Yo guys, video rambi zingizutine like nengokuthi pikis kodwa umuntu onuyanga ndala hayi yino nto rembi ngayo nonyo rambi azigate pass ka genre when music na moka industry there is a gatekeepers even have been represented as gatekeepers come on aben richama as gatekeepers lo khoma ngabantu bane rene sezifene renya go ribone rithumela babone okay if ula mtu achikubamba kha ila track ziyamba ila track ndiyithi ngona then if ula mtu ila artist mini ziwazikhomba zuri your artist yes ingabe flow kana ustoba na it towards him or ngona sabe you understand what I'm saying zvino ndino thumela check apa vendore if fresh kuri una zi gatekeepers apa venda ndivonyabo bathu ngona yes para FM the gatekeeper you understand what I'm saying. But now I feel like nowadays when I say to para FM or para FM during gatekeeper ngore nowadays the artist yes rekadwari they thought that profile ritambiwa radio inazi award zinezita zichima yes realize nyango ruzuine but na asisu zvinezvikadinga like way back way like vazvitova ngongo rikuzinyanga apen we all know the award is arengiwe Island so angastori khovana ndava nazo ngona so now vari kunyogoseka kabathu like vatu vane vava through social media vane if coffees are so ndivona vane vava kore update that means avo vatu ndivona is gatekeepers acho nokongwana avo vatu ndivona vatu vane rito vari kuhamba ngavo ndivona is gatekeepers ngongwana even though vanga vachikutwisa like the artist or yes sona so zviteye vumwe vachikupusha but zviyaita uri artist eyo ive na favorite artist ngongwana that means mtu va gatekeepers because of uva ana platform kulwana and yes mtu tova na favorite artist but if sometimes achiva bias that means zvazo zvichava zvone ngongwana but nistozi zafa venda ringa vari kwamburi gatekeepers ndivoni now I feel like yes but I think now what can they about humbula but let's check because of okay let's first check una mtu ngabuyi billion bucks just that boy I don't feel like is a gatekeeper because of all he does in the pushing movement to a rap so I need to consider it as a gatekeeper. You understand what I'm saying? Shina ola ni shina haita chone do ukonya kuona van rap in ngongwana so I don't consider him as a gatekeeper. Okay, I can talk about visionary uri but I don't know uri mean it's just that there's don't kwamba ubenga visionary but yoni and the platform ya what but on the gatekeeper as a gatekeeper we have to look into it or if nairo kwamba is a gatekeeper zvihani zvine ringa rikore why is a gatekeeper but I feel like naye ndimwe muntu ene wapusha zi artists za urine like artists in Japan venda zi exposed to release the awareness because of it but if aso angambo artist yo ikwimba bulutsi ziyamba rene asazifene ringa kongwana ringa tumisa zenge yondira uri artist ikwimba bulutsi zvi apply ka achizi yanga cool kid if cool kid yanga artist ikoimba bulutsi rine vamwe vatu zvingaiseze artist uri na ikoimba bulutsi happen doesn't know to says nga voice yabo so do aba vatu ava consider as gatekeepers za vendrep or ndivatu vane re kwambore like wakupusha movement just for movement we panda we enter ngongwana the ones that they usually but I feel like we have to find Rafa Venda nazo to the gatekeeper and then yabo bathu kwenda vamba na I feel like as is gatekeeper ngona a gatekeeper and umthendere ngasimdevu ubo uzimbama and he's always biased when he achikwamba zvauri mini even though namse achikwita zvawo ni dombona muthu oyo una favorite uba achiko favor artist nkene ngori biased and uto consider artist so urimi nduri utoba na list as artist ndene mnazifuna and if your artist yanga the game in then zifene zaye like they accept before him zwi ava problem kha vhathu vha so ni ḓo wana vha tshi thoma u i amba vhuvhi ni khou ṅwana na I feel like ndi vhone dzi gatekeepers avho vhathu just that a thi khou kona u ḓo humbula uri nga vho nnyi mara gatekeeper mara ri ḓo i wana uri ndi nnyi gatekeeper zwi tei ndi yone gatekeeper hafha kha venrep u tea u vha hone muthu u tea u vha hone and ri ḓo fhedzisela ri mu wana a zwi tei i yone gatekeeper kha venrep ri tea uri i wane iyo gatekeeper ri expose uri hoyu ndi yone gatekeeper hafha venrep mara ri ḓo mu wana a zwi itei uri ri sa mu wana